Incorrect overtime rates can lead to serious payroll mistakes and employee dissatisfaction. In this video, I'll show you how to configure overtime setup policy step by step. It controls how overtime is paid, not just counted. First, go to Overtime Setup Policy under Policy Management. Then click Add button. Let's start with Setup Configuration. Company defines the organization for which this policy applies. Category helps assign the policy to a specific group of employees. Now moving to shift settings. Here, you select the shift for which this overtime policy will be applied. Working type defines whether the policy applies to employees or contractor. Now, let's focus on the most important section, overtime rate pattern. Here, we define overtime rates based on working minutes. Up to limit defines the maximum overtime minutes for that range. Rate on normal days defines how much overtime will be paid on regular working days. Rate on weekly off defines the rate for overtime worked on weekly holidays. Rate on public holidays defines the rate for overtime worked on public holidays. Let's take an example. If overtime is up to 60 minutes, the rate is 0.5, meaning half pay. If overtime is up to 120 minutes, normal day rate is 0.5, but weekly off and public holiday rate is 1.0. If overtime exceeds 240 minutes, it will be calculated as full pay. This allows flexible and fair overtime calculation. You can add multiple slabs using Add Row. Once everything is configured, click Save to apply the policy. Policy ensures fair attendance tracking and accurate salary deduction. It helps maintain discipline and transparency in attendance management. If you want a fully customizable attendance and payroll system, contact us today for a free demo. Automate your attendance rules, reduce manual errors, and manage your workforce smarter with Always Tech Solution.